Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best nursing and feeding is probably one of the most crucial aspects of ensuring your little one thrives, and selecting the right products can make all the difference in those precious early moments. From ensuring comfortable and efficient feeding sessions to providing a nurturing environment for your baby's growth and development, the choices you make today will lay the foundation for their well-being tomorrow. We're here to guide you through the essential gear that will support both you and your baby on this incredible journey. Number 5. Momcozy Hands-Free Pumping Bra. Introducing the Momcozy Hands-Free Pumping Bra, designed for ultimate convenience. Enjoy true freedom while you pump, making multitasking a breeze. This bra offers adjustable support, ensuring a perfect fit for every mother. Its thoughtful design prioritizes your comfort throughout the day. Seamlessly transition from pumping to nursing with this innovative 2-in-1 design. It's the perfect companion for your breastfeeding journey. Keep your breast pump securely in place with its reliable holding capabilities. You can trust it to stay put, giving you peace of mind. Experience the convenience of a bra that does it all. This is your essential tool for a smoother, more comfortable pumping and nursing experience. What we like. This bra is designed for ultimate convenience, allowing you to pump and nurse simultaneously. If you need to multitask while feeding or pumping, this is the perfect solution. Its adjustable design ensures a comfortable and secure fit for all-day wear. What people say. This nursing pillow is a lifesaver for breastfeeding moms. It provides excellent support for both mom and baby, making feeding sessions much more comfortable. The cover is soft and washable, which is a huge plus. The design of this feeding pillow is very practical. It has a firm yet comfortable shape that keeps the baby in the right position for feeding. It also helps reduce strain on the mom's back and arms. I love how versatile this nursing pillow is. It can be used for breastfeeding, bottle feeding, and even as a support for tummy time. The material is breathable and doesn't get too hot. Number 4. HOFISH 3-Pack Full Bust Seamless Nursing Maternity Bras. Experience ultimate comfort and support with our seamless nursing bras. Designed for full bust support, they adapt to your changing body. These bras are specifically made for maternity and nursing. Enjoy easy access for feeding and a comfortable fit throughout your day. The seamless construction ensures no irritation or digging. You'll feel comfortable and confident all day long. Available in a wide range of sizes from S to XXL, ensuring a perfect fit for every mother. We've got you covered. Each pack comes with extra bra extenders and clips. This allows you to customize the fit for maximum comfort and support as needed. Get a pack of 3 bras for great value. This ensures you always have a clean one ready, making your nursing journey easier. What we like. Experience unparalleled comfort with this seamless nursing bra, designed to support full busts. If you prioritize comfort and need extra room, especially during fluctuating sizes, the included extenders make it a versatile choice. It's ideal for those seeking a soft, supportive, and adaptable option. What people say. This nursing pillow is designed with a unique contour that cradles your baby securely, promoting proper latch and reducing strain on your arms and back. The cover is made of a soft, breathable cotton blend that is gentle on your baby's skin and easily removable for washing. It provides excellent support for both breastfeeding and bottle feeding, making it a versatile tool for new parents. Number 3. Mom Breastfeeding Nursing Cover, Black. Experience ultimate comfort with our nursing cover, made from soft, breathable pure cotton. It provides a comfortable and private space for you and your baby. Our unique adjustable hoop design allows you to easily see your baby while nursing. It also ensures optimal airflow for your little one's comfort. This versatile cover isn't just for breastfeeding. It can also be used to shield a baby stroller or car seat, offering protection in various situations. Designed for life on the go, it's lightweight and easily foldable. You can conveniently store it in your bag, saving space and making travel a breeze. Take it anywhere. Its portable and foldable nature makes it simple to pack and carry. Enjoy privacy and convenience wherever your day takes you. What we like. This cover offers a soft, breathable nursing experience with an adjustable hoop for easy viewing. If you value privacy and airflow while ensuring you can always see your baby, this is a great pick. Its multi-purpose design also makes it a practical choice for covering strollers or car seats on the go. What people say. The bottle warmer is very easy to use and heats up quickly. It has a large capacity and can warm multiple bottles at once. The keep warm function is very convenient for busy parents. Number 2. Ekouaer Women's Striped V-Neck Nightgown. Introducing the Ekouaer Women's Nightgown, a perfect blend of comfort and style for your relaxation. Featuring a classic V-neck design, this nightgown offers a flattering and comfortable fit. Adorned with elegant stripes, it adds a touch of timeless charm to your sleepwear collection. The convenient button-down front makes it easy to wear and adjust for your ultimate comfort. Crafted from soft, breathable fabric, it ensures a cozy and pleasant feel all night long. Its 3/4 sleeves provide the perfect balance of coverage and freedom, ideal for any season. Available in sizes S to XXL, find the perfect fit to enhance your sleep experience. What we like. Enjoy restful nights in this incredibly soft sleep shirt with a convenient button-down front. If you're looking for comfortable and practical sleepwear, especially for nighttime nursing or easy access, this is an excellent choice. The 3/4 sleeves offer a good balance of coverage and comfort. What people say. The bottle is easy to hold and the nipple is soft and flexible, which my baby loves. It's very easy to clean, and the measurements on the side are accurate. The anti-colic system works really well, my baby has less gas and spit up. Number 1. Pet Feeding Bottle and Syringe Kit. Introducing a comprehensive feeding kit designed for your beloved pets. This set provides everything you need to nourish and care for them. Crafted from high-quality, odorless silicone and durable plastic, this kit ensures safe and healthy feeding. It's built to last and is easy to clean for repeated use. The feeding bottle features clear volume markings, allowing you to accurately control food intake. This helps prevent overfeeding or underfeeding, ensuring your pet gets just the right amount. Equipped with 5 different sized syringes, this kit is perfect for administering precise liquid medication or small doses of food. It's ideal for puppies, kittens, and other small animals. The soft silicone nipples come in various shapes and sizes, specifically designed to suit different types of small pets. They provide a comfortable and natural feeding experience. Use the dedicated nipples for sick pets to prevent cross-infection. This thoughtful design ensures the health and safety of all your animals. What we like. This comprehensive kit provides all you need for feeding small animals, including various syringes and silicone nipples. If you're caring for multiple or sick pets, the included tools and separate nipples for hygiene are invaluable. It's the ideal solution for precise feeding and preventing the spread of illness. What people say. The bottle is easy to hold and the nipple is soft. My baby latched onto this bottle immediately. It's easy to clean and assemble. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.